High scale guys, today we have crane scales like this with the indicator Rice Lake 920i. To calibrate these scales you should unscrew this bolt and press the button. Here you can have the button, and it goes to calibration menu. Here we have a lot of parameters, different parameters. So we go scales 1. You don't need to configure it, you just need to calibrate it. So we go to the calibrate by pressing arrows buttons. So I press to the left and go to the calibrate. And another thing, when you go to the grads, this is your capacity, it's a number of counts. So you should put not like capacity here, but the number of counts which you have. So this is like meters. So now we go to the calibration again by pressing this arrows button and enter. Press enter, it goes W0. We press calibrate it by pressing this button. It's calibrating dead load. We have nothing on the hook. So calibration is done, 0 calibration. Now we go to the, this was 0 calibration. I go to the right by pressing button to the right. WL, this is the value of calibration, and we need to put the value. We will use 500 kg, so I put 500 and press enter button. Now it goes to span calibration. I press enter button again, and now we will put 500 kg weight. I put this 500 kgs on the load cell, and now we need to let it sit a little bit, like couple seconds, so it's stabilized. And then when it's stabilized, we press calibrate button again to calibrate with the weight. Calibration done. So we go back by pressing arrows button. So I press up, it goes back, press up again, press up again, press up again, and here we have save and exit. So we need to save it. Now it's saving configuration. And now we have 500 kgs, which is 500 kgs. So that's all, calibration done. Thanks for watching, guys.